Instructional video on how to do a factory data reset. Okay, so from your home screen, make your way over to the settings. Click OK on settings. You'll want to make your way over to the other tab, the last tab on the right, and then drop down to more settings. Click OK on that. And then you'll want to scroll down about 3/4 of the way. You'll see what reads backup and reset. Click OK on that. And then scroll down to factory data reset. Click OK on that. On this page, click down on your remote to highlight that little box at the bottom. Click OK on that. And then here is pretty self-explanatory. Just go ahead and click on erase everything. And this isn't going to erase everything off your box. It's just going to put everything right back to the way it was when it left the factory. Okay, when this is done, it's going to put you right back to your welcoming page in settings. It's going to ask you a couple things. It's going to welcome you. It's going to ask you to pick the language, and it's preset on English, so just click through that. It is going to ask you to reload it back onto your internet after the reset. So again, there's another video on basic setup instructions on how to connect to your internet. You'll basically want to reload it. You'll want to stay here until you get that confirmation on the right where it says Wi-Fi connected, or if you're connecting it Ethernet, Ethernet connected. So either way, you want to stay here until you get that confirmation. And then the next step will be to make your way over to all apps. Click OK on all apps, and then right below the search button is add-ons. Click on add-ons. And what you're going to notice is that the local version number is going to read 0, and the server version is going to have that 7-digit number. And 8-digit number. And what you'll want to do is click OK on Kodi add-on install. Now once you do that, it's going to take it a moment. There might be a slight pause while it connects to the server, but then you'll see a toolbar that basically starts downloading the Kodi add-ons. And you'll want to stay on this page here until it does two things. One is it gives you a small confirmation that'll flash in the center of the screen that says download package successful. And then the other thing you're going to notice is that the local version number has changed from 0 to match the server number the way you're seeing it on the screen. Once that's done, you'll turn your box off via your remote control. Turn it right back on. Just let it sit for a second or two. It'll reload, and then at that point, you'll be up and running. So it takes a second for it to reload. The other part of this process, you're most likely going to see that message at the top of your TV screen. Swipe down to remove. In the instructional video on the remote control, I go over how to get your mouse icon on the screen. You basically click your mouse icon button on your remote once and click down right after, and you'll see that mouse icon appear on your TV screen. Guide it, click on the message to remove that from your screen. So at this point, you are back in business. It's reset. Let's take a look. There's your applications, and you're back up and running to enjoy your box. Enjoy.